Good morning everyone. Topic is algebra. Exercise first A which is going on. So now look at the question number 30th of C part. A and B part yesterday we have done. So look at the C part. The sum of two numbers is 14 and their difference is 2. Find the product of two numbers. Find the product of two numbers means here is a number you have not given. It means so first of all your first step is let the numbers A and B. आपने let कर लिए. Then according to question, sum of two numbers of sum. Two numbers आपके A हैं and B हैं और sum means A plus B is means equal to it's 14. Now their difference A minus B is means equal to 2. Find the product of two numbers. Product means multiply, so find AB. Statement is clear how you can make it. Now, if you have to given A plus B and A minus B, two statements are given to you and you have to find out the value of AB. Then you have to use this one result which we have already done in assignment 2. It's clear. If you have to given only single value like A plus B, then you have to use the formula A square plus B square plus 2AB. But now you have to given two values. One is A plus B and second is A minus B. Then to find AB, you have to apply this one. Now just put the values. What is the value of A plus B? It's 14. 14 of square minus 2 of square is equal to 4AB. So 14 of square, not 14 into 2, it's 196 minus 2 square is 4 is equal to 4AB. So now subtract it and here is you have to give one multiply, so it will be changed into divide. So divide it and AB is equal to 48. It's your answer. Now look at your last question. Finally we reach at last question. If the sum of three numbers is 10 and the sum of their square is 38, find the sum of the products of three numbers taking two at a time. In previous questions we have taken two numbers, but now we have to take three numbers. So let the numbers are A, B and C. So according to your question, sum of three numbers A plus B plus C is equal to 10 and sum of their square, उनका square means A of square plus B of square plus C of square is equal to 38. Find the sum of the product of three numbers taking two at a time. एक टाइम पे आपको टू नंबर्स का प्रोडक्ट करना है और साथ में उनका सम. सो मीन्स टू नंबर्स ए बी, बी सी, सी ए और उनका सम. स्टेटमेंट इज क्लियर. सो नाउ वी विल यूज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ ए प्लस बी प्लस सी ऑफ होल स्क्वायर. दिस इज गिवन टू यू. सो स्क्वायर ऑफ दिस वन. So what is the identity of A plus B plus C of whole square? A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 into AB plus BC plus CA. Now put the values and solve these questions like your previous questions. Clear? Now look at your B part. If the sum of the squares of three numbers is equal to the square of their sum, so prove that the sum of the product of three numbers taking two at a time is equal to 0. Equal to 0. So first of all let the numbers A, B, C because three numbers आपको let करने हैं. According to questions, sum of square of three numbers A square plus B square plus C square is equal to square of their sum. Square of whole square their sum. A plus B plus C of whole square. Find three numbers taking two at a time. A B, B C, C A. उनका sum equal to 0. Equal to sign is 0. Clear? Now solve it. Use this identity. A plus B plus C of whole square. It's A square plus B square plus C square is equal to 2 into AB plus BC plus CA. Now put the values. A plus B plus C of whole square value is this one. So put it here. Other will be as it is. Now here is plus, so it will be changed into minus here. It's plus A, it will be changed into minus A. It's plus minus B square minus C square. Now opposite values are same but signs are opposites, so it will be cancelled. So here it is 0. So 2 is in multiplication, it will be divide. So this one you have proof, AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 0. Clear? Now look at your C part. If the sum of the squares of three positive numbers is 14 and the sum of their products taking 2 at a time is 11, find the sum of numbers. So first of all, let the numbers A, B and C. Sum of square of three positive numbers, A square plus B square plus C square is means equal to 14. Sum of their product means AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 11. Find the sum of numbers. Only sum of numbers means A plus B plus C. Clear? Use this identity and put the values. By this you can find out the answer. So by this your first exercise has completed. Tomorrow we will start exercise 1.2. Thanks and have a nice day.